Understanding the phrase, throw shade, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're going to dive into a very popular and interesting phrase, throw shade. This expression is widely used in everyday English, especially in informal contexts, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's get started. Throw shade is a phrase that has gained a lot of popularity, especially in the world of social media and pop culture. To throw shade means to make a subtle or indirect expression of contempt or disrespect towards someone. It's important to note that this isn't usually done in an openly hostile way. Instead, it's more about subtle digs or sarcastic remarks. The phrase, throw shade, originated in the African American and LGBTQ+ communities, particularly within the ballroom culture of the 1980s. It entered mainstream language through shows and media that depicted these cultures. The term became a way to describe a specific kind of insult, one that is clever, a bit indirect, and often delivered with a certain style or flair. To help you understand how throw shade is used, here are a few examples. Did you hear her comment? She was definitely throwing shade at his cooking skills. In the interview, the actress threw shade at her co-star without even mentioning her name. It's not always easy to tell when someone is throwing shade, as it can be very subtle. Notice how in each of these examples, the person throwing shade is not being openly aggressive or rude, but rather subtly disrespectful or mocking. When using throw shade in your conversations, remember that it's best suited for informal settings. It's not a phrase you would want to use in a professional context. Also, be aware of the tone and context, as using this phrase can sometimes be seen as playful, but other times it might be taken more seriously. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, throw shade, and how you can recognize it in everyday conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about the culture and context in which those words are used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.